Hey there, I'm Charlotte May, and if there's one thing we can't run away from, that's cleaning up our house. And with my busy schedule, doing that effectively and productively is super important to me. But I must admit, I'm not very good at multitasking. So today we're here live at Funan to check out the Philips SpeedPro Max Aqua because I hear that this right here is a game changer. So let's check out the 5 things you need to know about this product. So of course, the main function of the Philips SpeedPro Max Aqua is its 3-in-1 function. Now with the vacuum and mop, you can achieve cleaning results in half the time and effort because you can both vacuum and mop in one seamless action. Secondly, you can detach it from the main machine and even change up the nozzles so you can clean up smaller areas like your bedding or even those hard-to-reach corners of your room. So what makes this ultra unique is the 360-degree nozzle. So you may not know this, but with your everyday vacuum cleaner, if you're going backwards, you're actually not cleaning anything at all. But with this, it sucks in dirt from all directions so nothing gets left behind. The strength of a vacuum cleaner is determined by its suction power, and apparently the Philips SpeedPro Max Aqua features one of the strongest suction powers out there. In fact, I've been told that it is strong enough to lift up a 6-kilo bowling ball. Now you know what? I've got a bowling ball right here because I want to put that to the test. It sounds pretty unbelievable to me, so let's do a little experiment right now. What? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try that one more time. What? This is nuts. It's almost dangerous. I'm impressed. Oh wow, I'm really impressed. Okay. But I mean, let's be real, right? You wouldn't be cleaning anything that weighs up to 6 kilos at home. But the fact that this has such a strong suction power means that you can be assured that your house would be cleaned to the T. So with the mop function, the moment it touches the ground, water gets released immediately. But if you're working on tougher stains like I am today, all you have to do is press on the Aqua Boost and more water will be released as and when you want. So let's give this a try. Ooh! Instant results! Check that out. There you go. Spotless! The design of the Philips SpeedPro Max Aqua is really unique because the mechanism sits on top of the stick. Now this means that it can lie parallel to the ground, helping you clean hard-to-reach areas like under your bed or your couch. But what I really like is the LED lights, which come in really handy when you're cleaning these dark areas. Come, look. As you can see, the Philips SpeedPro Max Aqua is cordless, so I'm sure you are wondering about its battery life. Well, fret not because it can last a good 75 minutes, and that's one of the longest battery lives out there in the market. This means that you can clean your whole house uninterrupted in just one single charge. And these are the 5 features that make the Philips SpeedPro Max Aqua a unique, handy helper at home.